Rentec Direct provides everything you need to successfully manage your properties and stay organized. You can streamline accounting tasks, organize your properties and tenants, and market vacant rentals. You'll also find features for collecting rent payments online, tracking work orders, screening tenants, paying owners, and much more. All in the secure and powerful property management software from Rentec Direct. This software overview gives you a look at how the program works on a computer. But remember, Rentec Direct is designed to work flawlessly on any size device, whether you're at your desk or working from a tablet or smartphone. Let's take a quick tour of the software so you can see exactly how Rentec Direct will be the perfect solution for your rental and property management needs. When you first log in, you're greeted with a summary page, giving you quick access to important information regarding your rentals. You'll immediately see occupancy rates and an income summary. And you can click on any of these sections to get more details about vacancies, upcoming lease expirations, overdue rents, and open work orders. The summary page is where you will find updates about your software, like any new features, releases, or product updates. Help is only a click away, either through the built-in knowledge base that offers written instructions and training videos, or through live support from our US-based client success team. Notice that Rentec Direct software is organized into a few primary sections: properties, tenants, banking, owners, reports, and settings. In the property section, you'll find features for both single rentals and multi-unit buildings. You can easily track income and expenses and manage property maintenance by viewing and adding work orders. Fill in property details and activate your property's marketing page to syndicate the listing to all the top sites to get your vacancies filled quickly. Each property gives you these feature options to edit property details, market vacancies, post income and expenses, place a new tenant, set management fees, view and manage work orders, order and view inspection reports from our integrated partner Z-Inspector, track depreciation, view application, keep and track property notes, and access important files like lease agreements and notices in the file library. You'll also be able to store custom information about each property, set automated reminders, set up late fees, and dig into your accounting ledgers in an instant. Managing your tenants is easy in Rentec Direct. Each tenant has a profile card where you can quickly view important information and record tenant payments. Clicking on a tenant will open the ledger, giving you a detailed accounting history. You'll also find easy options for completing important tenant-related tasks like storing notes and details about the tenant, printing invoices and statements, collecting rent payments online, sending emails or text messages through the software, creating and sending custom forms like lease agreements for e-signatures, modifying lease details and expiration dates, creating CAM charges, and accessing files and documents related to the tenant in the tenant's file library. Tenant portals ensure your tenants have 24/7 access to their account. These portals are accessible online and through the Resident Connect mobile app in the App Store. Your tenants can view their statement, coordinate online payments, submit maintenance requests, and view shared files. They can even purchase renter's insurance through their tenant portal. Banking account management allows you to record your bills and rent payments in batch transactions. You'll be able to print checks and create bank deposits. You can sync your Rentec Direct account with your bank and complete bank account reconciliation. For property managers, you have access to useful tools for your owners. Seamless Accounting tracks the balance due to each property owner throughout the month, simplifying the disbursement process. You have messaging features and can store detailed notes and maintain a file library for each property owner. Property owner portals save everyone time. It's a quick and professional way to give your owners instant access to important property information. The Owner Portal is available as a mobile app in the App Store. Just look for Owner Connect by Rentec Direct. The Reporting Center keeps you on top of all your portfolio movement, giving you access to tons of reports and data from detailed financial summaries to tenant activity. You'll find financial reports, tenant reports, screening reports, and more. Dive into marketing, property owner details, vendor stats, and maintenance issues through your reports. For tenant screening, you can instantly pull credit, criminal, and eviction reports on your applicants to quickly qualify new renters. Your Rentec Direct account includes a free customizable website. Here's an example of the website included with your software. Prospective tenants can view listings and apply online. This data is automatically sent to your software and stored as tenant leads or pending applications. If you already have a website, you'll be able to integrate seamlessly with Rentec Direct to still utilize these valuable marketing features. Customize your account settings to match your preferences, from secondary user permissions to a personalized chart of accounts to a tailored online rental application. You'll be able to automate late fees, management fees, and account reminders. We even incorporate options with trusted partners for services such as 1099 e-filing, mobile inspections, renter's insurance, and e-signatures. We want you to love how your tools work for you. You'll always have access to free, award-winning US-based support for as long as you're with us. Is there a feature you need but didn't hear mentioned in this video? Chances are we probably have a solution that will be perfect for you. Now is the time to sign up for your free trial or schedule a call with your product advisor to learn more.